How's it going today, everybody? Welcome back to Troy's Hobbies RC. Today we are going to be taking out our RGT Tracer back out onto the trails. But before we do so, we're going to do a small upgrade here. We're going to put some new shocks on that. So let's go over here to the bench real quick, and I'll tell you all about them. Okay, so we're over here on the bench. Good old truck here. Nothing's changed with the truck overall. Still the same electronics. Just a stock 20-turn motor and Hobby Wing 1040 or 1060 ESC. So the only thing we're going to be adding here are these KYX shocks. Again, these are a 90mm length shock. I believe stock, the truck comes with an 80mm. So we're going to be increasing the travel by 10mm here. Front and rear, again, matching shocks. We're going to be filling it with 20 weight oil. Relatively lightweight oil, but for a crawler, you're really not looking for too much suspension damping. You really want articulation, so a lighter shock oil kind of does the trick. So let's go ahead and get into a time lapse, and I will get these shocks rebuilt really quick, put on the truck, and then we're going to go get out on the trails. Alright, everybody, we got the shocks filled up and put on the truck. They went on pretty well seamlessly. The only thing I had to add was back here in the back. I just had to put some spacers underneath here just to space the shocks out just a little bit from the center line of the axle, just to give it proper articulation. But as you can see now, it's perfectly smooth. It articulates well. We definitely added probably 10 millimeters of extra flex to the truck. So let's go ahead and get out to the trails and see how this performs. Alright everybody, we're back from the trails with our RGT Tracer. This one was customized with Injora axles, Injora Super Swamper tires, dual stage phones, trio wheels, and today we put on the KYX 90mm shocks. The shocks were definitely an improvement in shock travel and articulation. We were able to tackle much more advanced trails today. And the thing performed excellent, you know. Really can't complain about it. It articulated well. It was able to climb about everything that I wanted it to do. And it did really well. So, just want to say thanks for watching, you guys. Thumbs up the video if you all are new. Subscribe if you would like to. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, as well as TroysHobbiesRC.com, where you can find information on Colorado Monster Truck Challenge, as well as merchandise and other information. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Later.